Yo, welcome to Simp. You need Simp, you want Simp, you got it. It's the show where everything is a cope. Coming to you live in the world's smallest unfinished laundry in the Barbie Dream Mansion. Recently voted a terminated merchant by 3 banks running. And as always, resident yes man, Sean the Sheep. I gotta tell you, Sean, these copious amounts of LSD, cocaine, and other assorted drugs are really scrambling my brain. I'm beginning to wonder if there's even a line between Snacks Habanero and Simp Masters in here at this point. I mean, some days I wake up and I just want to shave my head and put some aviator goggles on there, on my face, and I just want to go downtown and just try and act all macho. And then other days I'm texting like a 13-year-old schoolgirl to random grannies on Facebook. Yeah, it's a fucking roller coaster, Sean. It's a roller coaster. It's a roller coaster of emotions, Sean. I'm up, I'm down, it's all over the place. Who knows where I'm gonna be next? I'm going out of my mind. I'm drowning. I feel like I'm in the deepest waters I've ever been, Sean. I'm drinking copious amounts of alcohol. I'm spending days and days cooped up in my 2-bedroom Barbie crack shack here. The walls, they're closing in on me. They're closing in on me, Sean. Everyone's out to get me, Sean. Everyone, even you. Aren't you, Sean? Yeah, you're actually a Fruity Farms plant, aren't you, Sean? Yeah, you've actually got a secret account of Fruity Farms. You're posting about me, aren't you, Sean? Aren't you, Sean? You dirty Judas. You dirty Judas, Sean. Oh, I'm gonna get you. Oh, you motherfucker. Oh, God! Oh, God! Okay, I gotta calm down. I've gotta calm down. Whoa. Someone at the door? Okay, I'll be right back. Just give me a sec.
Hey, what's up?
Hey, man. I'm Xander.
No. What's going on?
Oh, Elbows?
No.
Well, you're a faggot simp.
What?
You're a faggot simp.
You guys are from the internet.
I'm from Bitwave Media, yeah.
Jesus Christ, it's some of those people from the fucking internet again. Oh, God. Fuck you, Fruity Farms. This is totally funny. This is the funniest time I've ever had in my whole life. It's great. Oh my God, is that motherfucker doing wheelies on my Hot Wheels loop-de-loop? That motherfucker! I just got that reinstalled, motherfucker! Fuck you, fuck this show, fuck it, I'm out!